Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video what exactly I'm going to show you is that how can you label your button and text view to make your application look more good, and I'm also going to show you how can you use your text view as button to move from one activity to another just like this. So let's see how exactly it is done. I have already done the coding part, so I'll explain you everything that what exactly I have done over here. So the first thing that you need to do is go to Gradle scripts, open the project, and you can see all project over here. So inside of this you need to add this line. So I'll be providing this in description, so you can copy it from there. After this you need to go to module. To add library for your label, you need to type this line over here. I'll be providing this in description, so you can copy it from there. After that click on sync now, and as I told you that we are going to use our text view as a button to move from one activity to another. So for that I have created another .java file and another XML file. So let's first design the first XML file. The first thing that you need to do is just copy this line, and instead of your Android put app, and delete the /Android and put auto. After that you need to do the main coding part for your label button view. You need to type this entire thing, and I have already done the coding part, so I'll explain you every attribute. So this part is for your button and these codes are for your label. So these are the attributes of your button: ID, layout, width and height of your button, background, then text and text color. Now over here, label part, this is the background color. I'll show you by zooming it. So you can see our label over here. So this is the background color that we are using, the height and distance. The orientation, you can give your orientation to your label, such as instead of right top you can put left top, so your label will appear over here. And instead of left top you can even use left bottom, so the label will appear to the bottom. And so we'll keep it right top. And the text is used to give text, to write text over here. So right now it is not showing due to the system error. So when you install the application, it shows the text on the label, and this is the size of your text on the label. So this was for your label button view. Now let's see for our label text view. I have done that coding part in another XML file. So over here you need to do the same. You need to copy this, and instead of Android you need to put app, and instead of /Android you need to use auto, and you need to type this entire thing for your label text view. And the attributes for button and label are same as your button label button view, so there is no much different, but you need to use different ID, because ID gives an unique name to your button or your text view. And now, as I told you, that I'm going to show you how to use your text view as a button to move from one activity to another. So for that your ID matters a lot. So let's see the coding part for our label text view to work as a button. So this is the code for your label button view. We have typecasted the XML button by find view by ID, and when we press the button, the set on click listener, it invokes the on click, and we move from one activity to another. Now let's see the coding for our label text view. So I have done that coding part in main to activity. So over here there is no difference, only instead of button we have to use text view, and the rest of the code is same. Over here we are also we are doing the same. We have typecasted the XML button, the XML text view over here by using find view by ID, and it does the same work as button. And I have made some changes in the activity name, such as you can see the activity name over here is label button, and when I press this button, I move to another activity, which is the main to activity. Now over here you can see the name over here is changed label text view. So for that you need to make changes in your manifest. You need to go to manifest folder, and inside of that you need to open android manifest.xml, and inside of that you can see the activity over here, the android name main activity. So inside of this you need to type android label, and you need to give the label for your button for your activity. So I have given the label for my main activity as label button, and for another activity I have given label text view. After this, connect your device to your system or PC and hit the run button. So your device will appear over here and install the application. So after getting installed in your device, your APK is going to look like this. Over here, as I shown you how to change the activity name, and you can see the label and the text on the label. As I told you, it was not appearing in the system due to the system error, but over here when you install the application, the text on your label appears. So now you can see our text view also, and the text on the label as well. And when I press the text view, it is moving from one activity to another. I have done the coding over here that from main to activity move to main activity. So you can see this is the main activity, and this is the main to activity. So when I press, I am moving from main to activity to main activity. So this is the way you can use your text view as a button, and you can use label for your button and text view to make your application look more good. So thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you have any query, please comment below, and please subscribe my channel. It will help me a lot, and we will continue in next video.